Today's video is to share with you some fairly exciting news that we've got. You're now able to buy van shades direct off our website, and vice versa. Van shades will be selling our camper glass windows. So lots of you will know, not only we transport HQ, but a massive part of our business is camper glass. We sell windows to people fitting them to their vehicles at home, and also to lots and lots of conversion companies. As do van shades. They sell their products to both people. So I've personally had van shades in my last two full campers, rate them really highly, great product, love the fact they black out, love the finish of them, the quality of them, the usability of them over a curtain. Any high-end conversion really that you see will have van shades in them. I got talking to Pete from Van Shades a while ago, so they would always recommend our glass because it works best with their van shades. So the way the latch system and stuff works, it really suits the way the van shades, the window pods work. So equally, we kind of had this idea that it would be time for us to sell their product and them to sell ours, with the idea being if somebody's going on their website to buy the window pods, they know what windows are going to work best with their window pods, and vice versa. If somebody's on our website buying windows and they then want to use van shades as well, they can buy it all in one place, so we can ship it all together. If you're looking for something a little bit more individual and bespoke, or more unique colours, then like this one we're going to be using here, nice, van shades is your place to go. So we're going to be holding stock here, but it'll be just your everyday, your regular colours, your regular colour carpets, a couple of colours of shades, but with the idea being that you can buy it all in one place if it's your kind of standard finish and conversion. If you want something a bit more bespoke, hop over to the Van Shades website. They will be able to supply you the colour pods. The lead times will be slightly higher, but you'll also be able to buy the windows direct from there as well. So it's taken us a little while to get this far, and the reason being we've been holding out for the new Van Shades 2.0. Previously, Van Shades have been a really good seller. Like I said, I've had them in my van, but those guys have spent a lot of time and development in improving them even more. And what they've done with the new 2.0 is brilliant. It really is the next level with regards to fitting the vehicle and how easy they are to fit. They've taken a lot of time. They've had the vehicles fully laser scanned throughout, so front to back the vehicles have been laser scanned so they can make the window pods fit perfectly in the aperture that they need to go in. The new 2.0 ones sit in closer to the panel work. All of the apertures, all of the openings are bigger, so you have more light when the pods are open. The main key is how well they now fit. They really sit in. So this video is going to be us showing you, not necessarily a how-to fitting guide, because you can get that from the Van Shades website, but just to talk you through some of the options and what's going to be available from us, and really just to show you how good they can look when they're fitted. So I'm now going to hand you over to Blake. He's going to be fitting the Van Shades into this van. Like I said, we've gone with a really nice colour, a really nice kind of teal colour in this one. Really just for more than anything for it to really stand out on the camera, and because it's going to look sick in this van, how well they fit in and how he would fit them and how easy they are to fit being one of the main things, and then we'll show you the finished result afterwards. So that's it, Van Shades all in, done, job done. They look really good. I'll give you a closer look now. Now I've got to say, honest opinion, I'm super impressed with these. Not just saying this because we're going to be selling them, but this is the first time I've seen the new Van Shades 2.0 in action. Like I said, I've previously had the other versions on my old vans, and this is the first time I've seen these. They've just, those little design tweaks, making the aperture bigger, making the units, scanning the vehicle to make the units sit closer to the panels, has really made all the difference. So I'll just take you inside and give you a closer look of what I mean. So nice leery colour here, just so it all stands out well, but you can see how well it works. There's no fouling of the latch here. This is a twin sliding door vehicle, so it's got the relevant pod, nice and neat there. And the other thing that used to happen on some of the old ones is this latch here, the tab, would catch on the panel just there, but with them being the new design and sitting further into the recess, you don't get that at all anymore. Yeah, nice big opening, nice big aperture, finished really nicely. Barn door's the same, rear quarter in this one, and also another sliding door. But the barn door panel, the way it fills this area now, just looks really nice. It's just the best way to finish off a van, I think. Nice and simple to use, and completely black out. So the whole idea of doing this was to make it easier for you when you're ordering. So we'll have these window pods on the Camperglass website and also on the Transporter HQ website. It should help you navigate when you're buying the pod with the relevant window, and the same goes for Vanshade. You can head over to the Vanshade website and you can also obviously buy their window pods, but you can also buy our windows from them. If you're looking for something a bit more unusual and bespoke like these lush colours, then head straight to Vanshades, because we only stock in the kind of the standard base colours, the 2 different colours of carpet and the 2 different colours of blinds, just for your regular most common conversions. But if you want something a bit wild and a little bit crazy and a little bit funky like this, I like it, then head to Vanshades and get it all from there. So thanks again for watching. Loads of cool videos coming up, got some really exciting stuff that we're working on, but I'm keeping my mouth shut for now. But for yeah, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share the video if you're interested in Vanshades, or if you've got any questions, let us know, drop us an email, comment below, and as always, thanks for watching.